2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, compass, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.